A modern family home in a tightly held enclave of Wahroonga, known for its quiet setting, convenience and sense of community. Welcome to 17 Moona Parade in Wahroonga. Luxury and practicality are a rare combination. I love how this home flows beautifully to this large, level, private and sunny backyard. It's rare to find a home built by a family for a family. Aside from all the luxury and practicality, it's the small details that count. I look forward to showing you through this beautiful home.